We'll guide you through how to recover contacts from Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Gmail website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small grid of squares. From the drop-down menu, choose Contacts to open Google Contacts in a new tab. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option labeled Trash. Click on it to view any contacts you've deleted within the last 30 days. Google automatically stores these deleted contacts here, making it easier to recover them without hassle. If you find the contact you want to restore, select it by clicking the checkbox next to the contact's name. Then, at the top of the list, click on the Recover button. This will move your contact back to your main contact list. If you need to recover multiple contacts, you can select them all at once and click Recover to restore them in bulk. It's a super handy feature if you've accidentally deleted important contacts. Keep in mind that contacts are only stored in the trash for up to 30 days, so be sure to act quickly if you need to recover something. Once restored, you can go back to the main contacts page to verify that your contact has been successfully added back to your list. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.